Hey, what's up guys? Today we're in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We are doing 3/4 inch hardwood in these rooms. I've already got them papered and laid out. The width of the board is 3 1/4. We're going to tie these rooms in, and then after they're in, we're putting in raw wood. So after that goes in, we're going to sand this whole house. We got to do a lace-in job right here. They took the wall out. They want us to just put a header board across here and lace to it. I mean, this house is huge. But we are installing wood where it needs to go. And then at the end, we're going to be sanding it, staining it, 2 coats of water-based polyurethane. And then there's an upstairs. Very big room up here. It's like a 28 by 15 or 18 something. But this is before. Just wanted to show you guys midway through where we're at. We are sanding all the wood now. All the hardwood that's getting installed has been installed. We had to lace this in. If you remember, this was a gap where they took out the wall. We've got most of the house sanded, and in the next couple days we'll be doing a water pop, a stain, 2 coats of water-based polyurethane. We still got to get this Jack and Jill bathroom sanded, but for the most part everything's going just great. Let's see if you can even tell where we filled it in. Right here, this wall was taken out and this was laced in. Anytime we change a floor to a darker color, or if the stain is going to be a darker stain, we do water popping. And it makes the stain, it opens the grain of the wood so that the stain actually absorbs and doesn't just tint the wood, but it really makes this grain pop on oak. This was a very big job. We did the stairs as well. We had to put on the stairs with the left-hand return. This is dark walnut. We use all Duracell brand. Everything turned out amazing.